guys, it's your girl Celeste Renee and welcome back to my channel. I sound like Jeffree Star. I really have to start watching his videos. So we have just completed the first week of the 10-week challenge and I'm checking in with you guys. And yes, I lost some weight. That is why I'm super excited, because normally she's not this excited. This is my dinner. Kale, strawberries, blueberries, MCT oil, a scoop of yogurt. Delish. Yeah, so where's my phone? This week, y'all, I'm super excited. I don't know what that was, but I lost, I think it was 7 pounds. But I want to go to my Fitbit so I can get the actual receipts to pull up on my camera, because y'all know I'm all about bringing my receipts out. 7.6 pounds. So you can see right here, if it's gonna zoom in today, let us see. Oh, look at there, 7.6 pounds. Yes. So this is just from April 1st. So you know we started on Sunday, but for some reason my scale, the new scale that I had, it didn't sync to my Fitbit until April 1st. So I don't know. So I just started over for April 1st, the little gold marker. And yes, I'm super excited. I'm actually a little, yesterday when I weighed in, which was, today's Sunday, yesterday was Saturday. Saturday morning when I weighed in, I weighed myself every day. I had lost 9 pounds, and then today I woke up and I had gained a pound. Is that 987? So 2 pounds, I guess. I had some crawfish, which was disgusting. I live in Houston, and like crawfish is a big thing, so I was like, let me try to eat some crawfish so I can be like a Houstonian since I'm not from here. And it was disgusting, but I ate that, and I had some shrimp, and it had a lot of like salt and stuff. I don't know, but whatever. I'm so happy with my 7 pounds, because your girl only lost 5 pounds altogether in the 6-week challenge. So 7 pounds in a week, I'm here for it. But like I said in the video before this, that I knew I was gonna have a big weight lossage this week, only because I was eating really bad before we started the challenge that week before. So I had a lot of water weight. And 2, I knew I was going super strict. So when you go from like eating really bad to like just super strict, you're gonna lose a lot of water weight that first couple of weeks. So next week, I'm probably not gonna have that big of a number. We'll see, but I'm really happy with my first week results. Snatch Snack Squad, we are in full effect. Yes. I hope y'all did really good this week. Sorry. I meal prepped all week. I'm trying to think of the things that I did differently this week. I meal prepped all week, and I actually recorded a video of the things that I meal prepped. I haven't uploaded it. I need to upload it. I'll upload it on Wednesday. I'm uploading on Wednesday. It'll show you, and I'm literally having the same thing. That if you hear a little clicking noise, that's my air fryer, because I'm cooking the chicken right now for my salad. But I literally had salad with chicken all week for lunch with some pistachios, some chicken salad, cheese, turkey, and for dinner I just had a protein and a vegetable. That was all super strict. Worked out, did my boxing Monday through Friday, Monday through Saturday. I've been taking a rest day lately. For the last month, on Sundays, I just been taking that as a rest day because I be tired. And the boxing studio is not open. I have a gym membership, but I don't really be feeling like going to the gym on a Sunday. I'm like, I'm tired. So been doing that. Been drinking my water, my Topo Chicos. I'm in love with Topo Chico. And that's really all, guys. Like, I've actually been sticking to my diet. That's the only change. I haven't had any cheat days. I was on my period this week, so maybe we will have some weight loss this next week, because, you know, yeah, I don't know. But I'm just trying to think. Nothing's really changed. I don't even know. I'm just excited. I'm really excited. Like, actually, when I saw the numbers, because I weigh myself every day, so like when Monday and Tuesday it was like minus 1 pound, minus 2 pounds, then Wednesday was like a huge jump, and I was like, this is a new scale, so maybe my scale is like broken, right? And then I was like, if it's the same to the next day, then it's for real. And it was the same next day. It actually went down 1 the next day. I was like, but I was telling myself, I'm like, don't get too excited, because the way I am, I like to self-sabotage. So if I see that I'm losing weight, right, I'll be like, oh, Celeste, you did really good. You lost 7 pounds. You can have this chocolate bar, right? girl, that's not smart. And then I have the chocolate bar, and I'm like, oh, well, you have the piece of chocolate, girl. You might as well just go ahead and just have another snack. Then it just tumbles, you know, like it's just not good. So I'm like, I didn't even buy anything. I literally, when I went grocery shopping today's Sunday, I do my meal, I buy groceries on Sundays and meal preps on Sundays. I was like, I'm not getting any sweets, not even sweets, like anything that's not what I'm gonna meal prep. Like literally that's the only thing in my house. So I have no choice but to just eat healthy. This is like on Saturdays I do lazy ketos. I mean on the weekends I do lazy keto. So Saturday and Sunday I'm not as strict. I'm just like, you know, as long as it's keto and healthy, you can have it. And I don't intermittent fast. I intermittent fast Monday through Friday. But this is kind of like a, not a cheat meal, but it's like it has strawberries and blueberries, and you know, fruits are not really, you're not supposed to have them on keto, but you can have berries, so you can have strawberries and blueberries. I put a lot more than I needed to, but this is just like, first off, this is my dinner, and this is just something I normally just have on the weekends because I'm not really, for some reason on the weekends I'm not really hungry. I don't know, but it's just very refreshing and just so yes. What was I gonna say? Oh, and it's only like, this whole thing is only like 100 and something calories anyway, so whatever. But oh, I don't have a photo for this week. So normally I put in the thumbnail like a little before photo. I didn't take any photos this week, so I'm just like, and I was gonna be scandalous, y'all. I was gonna be scandalous, and I was like, girl, just put up an old photo. And I was like, Celeste, that's not right, I can't do that. So I was like, I'm not gonna do that. I'll just explain to them that there won't be any photo on there. And I didn't take a before photo. I'm like, dang, I should have did that. So I probably will use the last photo that I took on the 6-week challenge and do it with, actually no, I'll just start with the photos this week. I know my hands look super ratchet. I went to my nail shop and they really annoyed me, so I just got up and left. Story time? No. But I need to get my nails done. Yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with the photo. I guess I'll put up a photo. I'll take a photo tomorrow. I'll take one tomorrow as my starting photo. I guess I'll just have to do that. And then just use that one. Yikes, I should have took a photo. Or I could just use the photo from the first 6 weeks. I don't know, whatever y'all want, just let me know. I don't know. Whatever y'all tell me, I'll do. But yes, I'm super excited. I lost 7.6 pounds this week. I'm really hoping to lose another 7 pounds next week. That'd be great. That'd be 14 pounds, boom. But I really have been working really hard, you guys. Like, you guys motivate me, so that's one thing for sure. Like, when I'm in my boxing class, sometimes I'm like, I do not want to do this. Like, I'm so tired, I want to go home. And I'm like, girl, you have this 10-week challenge. You cannot fail like you did the 6-week challenge. Like, you cannot do that. And then I'm like, girl, you have a birthday trip plan. Like, we try to be naked on the beach. So, well, not naked, but you know, we try to be snatched. And you can't be snatched if you out here and not giving it all, your all. So I've really been like mentally focused, thanks to you guys, because when y'all be commenting like, I'm in it, this is so helping me, it's helping me, I'm like, you don't even understand, y'all are motivating me, because literally if I didn't have like people holding me accountable, it'd be a joke. So yes, well, I have a headache. Yeah. This video is probably all over the place, sorry, but yeah, we have finished week 1. I lost 7.6 pounds. It's my third time saying that, so I'm really excited. And let me know how y'all's week went. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.